I know these events are usually very wide and in the terms of the people they bring in to talk, but also in terms of the people who attend. So they are a good opportunity for networking and for thinking a bit outside of my own field and learning from other people.
3 days full of diverse workshops, of talks that are very interesting, and there are a lot of networking events as well, breaks where you can actually get in contact with people from other institutes as well.
I was actually very impressed. I really like the interactive workshops that we could interact with each other, interact with the speaker. It was really engaging and entertaining, I would say.
So I think there's definitely a lot that the KNMB has to offer for that you can really pick from, choose from, and that are super useful for my daily work, but also in general for future projects.
So I would really recommend it because this is where you can get the resources and be able to know what's going on and where to look. It's very useful.